Hello children, in today's class we are going to discuss the revision of the lesson preparing for civic life. Please pay attention and listen to me. We are going to follow the same method what we did for the previous revision. Okay, please listen to me carefully children. Get ready. Open the textbook, page number 154. Yes. Communities. Greek philosopher Aristotle said that man is a social animal. He lives together with other people, sharing common interest so that he can communicate and interact with others, thus forming a community where the well-being of everyone depends on cooperation with one another. Society. A group of people living together is a society. Society is a group of humans distinguished from one group by other mutual interest and a common culture. We all are part of one or the other society. We live within a natural and man-made environment. Natural environment comprises the physical and biological circumstances that surround human beings. Our environment, however, is also cultural, traditions, customs and practices, religions, sports, art and architecture make up the man-made environment. Community life and civics. As individuals living together in a society, we may belong to different groups, like the family consisting of all the family members, a school comprising students, teachers and others, like a village, a city, a state or a country. Though finally, we are all a part of the world community. Society is made up of thousands of individuals performing different activities. For instance, thousands of families live together in a locality. Students study in schools, people work together in offices. Every association has some rules and it enforces them in order to function smoothly. In the same manner, the government looks after the functioning of the state. It also frames laws which the people have to follow as part of their duties. Here lies the importance of civics. It studies the working of the government. Civics is also the study of rights and duties of every citizen of a country. Interdependence. In today's world, human beings alone cannot fulfill even their basic needs of food, clothing and shelter. Therefore, we depend on the cooperation of others. Cooperation is when people work together to fulfill each other's needs. Cooperation makes life easy and comfortable. The family is the smallest unit of the modern society. Family and society. Usually, a family, the smallest unit of society, plays an important role in the upbringing of a child and transfers values and cultural traits to the younger generation. The family fulfills the various needs of an individual such as security, comfort and shelter. Similarly, a school performs its task of imparting knowledge, depending on the developing skills, and also provides us the opportunity to make friends. It is generally called the second home of the child. Almost 6 or 7 years of a child's day are spent in the school itself, which is not usually done anywhere else besides home. There are many such institutions which people have created to fulfill their specific needs, like sports clubs, cultural groups and literary clubs. Most importantly, people of cities, towns or cities have come together to form what we call municipal corporations or panchayats. These kinds of organizations look into our needs, like that of good roads, hygiene, hospitals and so on. Yes children, I have read till page number 156. I want you people to read the same paragraph once again, and in the next slide the questions are given. Follow the same method of pausing while reading the questions, even while writing the answers. You all have to mark the answers in your book. Did you understand children? Please refer the book properly. Read the textbook, read the paragraphs, and then you can read the question and write the answers. If you don't want to write the answers, you can just mark the answers in the textbook itself and cross-verify whether the answers that you have written is correct or wrong. Did you understand children? Yes, let's start with it. Today I read page number 154, 155 and 156. The headings are given. Okay, you can just read the questions and mark the answers in your textbook using a pencil, not a pen. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can revise or read the text once again, the paragraphs, particular paragraph, and then write the answers. Okay children, I'm doing it very, very slowly so that you can do your work slowly. Yes. Read the questions carefully, children, and try to answer one by one by reading the text. Or read the paragraphs and write down the answers slowly. If you feel the slide is a bit fast, you can pause it. Yes, answers are given. You can cross-check the answers and see whether you have written the right answers, children. 5 answers are given in this slide. You can check the answer slowly. If you feel the slide is fast, you can pause it. 6th, 7th and 8th answers are here. Just check properly, children. Check the answers and see whether you have written the right answer. Reading time. Look into your text and read the pages 157, 158 and 159. You can pause the video while reading, children. Yes, the questions from the same pages are being asked. Try to mark the answers in your book using a pencil. You can pause the video if it is a bit fast. Answers are given. You can pause even this slide if you feel the answers are a bit fast. The 5th answer is given here, children, and I have completed the revision of all the 3 lessons. Assignment. Children, for your next class, draw or trace an outline world map or an outline map of India. I need both world map and India map outline in a sheet of paper and keep it ready for the revision that will be conducted in the next class. Question banks you can complete after the revision. Okay. Did you understand, children? So keep the world map and the other things ready. Thank you, children.